Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will be discussing multiple choice questions on opposition to British rule in Karnataka. The very first question is the century of political problems is 17th century, 18th century, 19th century, 20th century. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, it is 18th century, which is also called as the century of political problems in India. The next question is Chikkadevaraj Wadayar died in. Asking for the year in which year the Chikkadevaraj Wadayar died in, whether it is in 1763, 1707, 1704, 1757. Yes, it is on the year 1704 Chikkadevaraj Wadayar died. During this era, the Mughals were very strong in the north and the Mysore Wadayar like Chikkadevaraj Wadayar was very strong in the south during this era. Move to the next question, that is Aurangzeb died in the year 1707, 1717, 1757, 1763. Yes, it is in the year 1707 the Aurangzeb was died. Death, the 18th century is also called as the century of political problems in India. The next question is who weakened the power of Dalwai and sidelined the king Krishnaraja Wadayar of Mysore? That is in Karnataka, who weakened the power of Dalwai and sidelined the king Krishnaraj Wadayar. The options are Hyder Ali, Tipu Sultan, Britishers, Marathas. Whether it is Hyder Ali, Tipu Sultan, Britishers, Marathas. Guess what is the answer? Yes, it is Hyder Ali who weakened the power of Dalwai and Hyder Ali sidelined the king Krishnaraja Wadayar. Therefore, option A is the right answer. So let's move to the next question. The first Anglo-Mysore War was happened between the year option A 67 to 69, 68 to 69, 69 to 70, 57 to 59. Yes, it is in the year 1767 to 69. The first Anglo-Mysore War was happened between the Britishers and the Mysore kings like Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan. Next question, that is the second Anglo-Mysore War was happened in the year 1780 to 84, 1770 to 74, 1782 84, 1781 to 84. Yes, the second Anglo-Mysore War was happened between the year 1780 to 1784. Therefore, option A is the right answer. So let's move to the next question, that is the fourth Anglo-Mysore War started in the year, whether it is in 1798, 1799, 1773, 1784. Yes, the fourth Anglo-Mysore War was started in the year 1799. Therefore, option B is the right answer. In the 1799, the fourth Anglo-Mysore War was started. So let's move to the next question. The first Anglo-Mysore War ended with Madras Treaty, Treaty of Mangalore, Treaty of Srirangapatna, and none of the above. Yes, the first Anglo-Mysore War ended with the Treaty Madras Treaty. That is option A is the right answer. 69, an agreement was happened between the Britishers and Hyder Ali, that is Madras Treaty. By this, the first Anglo-Mysore War was ended. That is Madras Treaty. The next question is second Anglo-Mysore War ended with which treaty? Madras Treaty, Treaty of Mangalore, Treaty of Srirangapatna, none of the above. Guess what is the answer? Yes, it is Treaty of Mangalore happened for the second Anglo-Mysore War. Therefore, option B is the right answer. That is Treaty of Mangalore was the result of second Anglo-Mysore War. The next question is the third Anglo-Mysore War ended with which treaty? Madras Treaty, Treaty of Mangalore, Treaty of Srirangapatna, none of the above. Yes, it is the Treaty of Srirangapatna. Option C is the right answer. Therefore, the third Anglo-Mysore War ended with the Treaty of Srirangapatna. Treaty of Srirangapatna happened between the Tipu Sultan and the Britishers. The next question is the main reason for the first Anglo-Mysore War to happen. He is asking for the reason why the first Anglo-Mysore war was happened, whether it is the political disturbances emerged in Arcot, whether it is the political situation in Travancore and Tanjavur, whether it is the political disturbance emerged in Mysore, or all of the above. Guess what is the answer? Yes, it is option A, that is the political disturbances emerged in Arcot was the main reason for the first Anglo-Mysore war to happen. Therefore, option A is the right answer. So let's move to the next question. The main reason for the second Anglo-Mysore war to happen. He is asking for the reason why second Anglo-Mysore war was happened. Whether it is political situation in Travancore and Tanjavur, whether it is political disturbances emerged in Arcot, whether it is political disturbances emerged in Mysore, and none of the above. Yes. Therefore, option A is the right answer. The political situation in Travancore and Tanjavur was the main reason for Second Anglo-Mysore War to happen in the 1780-84. The next question is, Hyder Ali was defeated in the battle held in, whether it is Port Nova by the British, Plassey battle, Buxar battle, whether it is in the Mysore battle. Hyder Ali was defeated in the battle held in Port Nova by British. Therefore, option A is the right answer. Hyder Ali was defeated in the battle held in Port Nova. The next question is, who nationalized the tobacco and sandalwood market? Whether it is Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan, Britishers, French and Portuguese. He is asking for who nationalized the tobacco and sandalwood market in India. Yes, it is Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan who nationalized the tobacco and sandalwood market in India. Therefore, option A is the right answer. The reason for this is to make the state financially stronger. The next question is, who used rockets during the war for the first time in India? He is asking who used the rockets during the war for the first time in India. Whether it is Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan, whether it is Britishers, whether it is French, whether it is Portuguese. Yes, it is Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan. They used the rockets during the war for the first time in India. The next question is, who became the Governor General of India during 1798? Whether it is Lord Wellesley, Charles Metcalfe, Lord Canning, Lord Cornwallis. Yes, it is Lord Canning who became the Governor General of India during 1798. Yes, it is Lord Canning. Option C is the right answer. The next question is, Tipu died in the year. He is asking for the year, in which year the Tipu died. Option A, 1798, 1799, 1773, 1784. During the year 1799, the Tipu died in the year 1799. The next question is, which rebellion was born in Maratha family of Channagiri, also known as Vog? That is, he is asking for the rebellion who has the title Vog, whether it is Dondiya, Tippu, Bajirao, Appasaheb. Yes, he is none other than Dondiya. He is also called as Dondiya Vog. The next question is, the British attacked and killed Dondiya Vog at. He is asking for the place where the Britishers attacked and killed Dondiya Vog, whether it is in Mysore, Konagal, Gutti, Hyderabad. He is asking for the place, whether it is in Mysore, Konagal, Gutti, Hyderabad. Yes, it is in Konagal. The British attacked and killed Dondiya Vog. That is in the place Konagal. Therefore, option B is the right answer. The next question is, Chennamma, the Queen of Kittur, opposed which law? He is asking for the which law the Chennamma opposed, whether it is denying the right of adopted children over the throne, whether it is monopoly over the trade, whether it is tax policy in the Kittur region, or all of the above. He is asking for the main reason why the Kitturu Queen, that is Chennamma, opposed which law. Therefore, option A is the right answer here. Denying the right of adopted children over the throne is the main reason the Chennamma opposed the law. Next question is, Malla Sarja's elder son. He is asking for the elder son of Malla Sarja, whether it is Shivalingarudra Sarja, Shivalingappa, Sangolli Rayana, none of the above. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, it is none other than option A. The Malla Sarja's elder son is Shivalingarudra Sarja. Therefore, option A is the right answer. Malla Sarja's elder son was Shivalingarudra Sarja. The next question is, an agreement took between Kittur, Shivalingarudra Sarja and British officer. Which British officer? He is asking for the agreement which happened between King Shivalingarudra Sarja and British officer. Yes, it is between Thomas Monro and Shivalingarudra Sarja. Therefore, option A is the right answer. This Shivlinga Sarja was nothing but the elder son of Malla Sarja. The next question is Chennamma adopted whom after the death of Shivlinga Rudra Sarja? He is asking for the adopted son of Chennamma. Then options are Shivlingappa, Sangoli Rayana, Dundiya Vog, none of the above. Yes, it is none other than Shivlingappa. Option E is the right answer. Shivlingappa was adopted by the Chennamma after the death of Shivlinga Rudra. So let's move to the next question. Who was the collector and political agent of British in Dharwad? He is asking for the collector and political agent of British in Dharwad, whether it is Thackeray, Colonel D, Lord Canning, Lord Cornwallis. He is asking for the collector and political agent of British in Dharwad. Yes, it is option E, that is Thackeray was the collector and political agent of British in India. Therefore, option E is the right answer. The next question is in the battle with Kittur, Thackeray was shot dead. Whether it is true statement or false statement? Yes, it is a true statement. In the battle with Kittur, Thackeray was shot dead. The next question is rebellion of Amar Sule was basically a farmers' rebellion. Whether it is a true statement or false statement? Yes, it is a true statement. So next question is the British attacked Gittur after the death of Thackeray under the leadership of whom? He is asking for the leader. Whether it is Robert Clive, Colonel Deak, Lord Canning, Lord Cornwallis. After the death of Thackeray, the British attacked under the leadership of Colonel Deak on the Kittur. Therefore, option B is the right answer. The British attacked Kittur after the death of Thackeray under the leadership of Colonel Deak. Therefore, option B is the right answer. The next question is Chennamma was imprisoned by the Britishers at means he is asking for the place in which the Chennamma was imprisoned by the Britishers. Options are Bailahongala Fort, Srirangapatnam Fort, Kitturu, Dharwad. Yes, it is option A is the right answer. Bailahongala Fort. Chennamma was imprisoned by Britishers at Bailahongala Fort. Therefore, option A is the right answer. The next question is Chennamma was shifted to which place from Bailahongala? He is asking for the place in which the Chennamma was shifted. Whether it is Kusugal prison, Belagavi prison, Dharwad, none of the above. Yes, it is Kusugal prison. Chennamma was shifted to Kusugal prison from Bailahongala fort. The next question is who helped Britishers to capture Sangolli Rayanna? He is asking for the people who helped the Britishers to capture Rayana, whether it is Desais and Krishnaraya, whether it is Marathas, whether it is Nijamas, or all of the above. Yes, it is Desais and Krishnaraya who helped Britishers to capture the Sangolli Rayana. Therefore, option A is the right answer. The next question is who was the ruler of Kodagu in 1834? He is asking for which king was ruling during the year 1834. Whether it is Chikkavira Rajendra of Haliri dynasty, Swami Aparampura, Kalyana Swami Puttabasappa. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, it is option A is the right answer. That is Chikkavira Rajendra of Haliri dynasty was the ruler of Kodagu in 1834. Therefore, option A is the right answer. Next question is rebellion of Amarasulla took place in the year whether it is in 1835 to 37, 1855 to 57, 1885 to 87, 1825 to 27. S option A is the right answer. Between 1835 to 37, rebellion of Amarasulla was took place. Therefore, option A is the right answer. So next question is Swami Aparampura Kalyan Swami and Puttabasappa organized a rebellion of Kittur, rebellion of Amarasulla, rebellion of Surpur, and none of the above. He is asking for the leadership in which they played. The rebellion of Amarasulla. Therefore, option B is the right answer. Rebellion of Amarasulla was organized under their leadership. Who was the leader of 1857 revolution in Karnataka? He is asking for the leadership of the war 1857 revolution in Karnataka. Whether it is Venkatappa Nayaka, Swami Aparampura, Kalyana Swami, Puttabasappa. Yes, option E is the right answer. It is Venkatappa Nayaka who was the leader of 1857 revolution in Karnataka. Option A is the right answer. The next question is in 1842 whom did the British appointed as their political agent over the Surpur? See the options whether Midas Taylor, Thackeray, Colonel D, Robert Clive. Guess what is the answer? Yes, option E is the right answer. That is Midas Taylor Whom did the Britisher appoint as political agent over the Surpur? Therefore, option A is the right answer. Midas Taylor was appointed as the political agent over the Surpur in the year 1842. The next question is, the British did appoint whom to report on various activities of the King Venkatappa Nayaka after 1857. After 1857, the British appointed whom on various of the activities of Venkatappa Nayaka to observe. Whether it is Campbell, Thackeray, Midas Taylor, none of the above. Yes, it is Campbell. The British appointed him after 1857 to look after Venkatappa Nayaka's activities. The next question is, who led the Koppala rebellion? Whether it is Veerappa, Chennamma, Rayanna, Puttabasappa. He is asking for the leader of the Koppala rebellion. Yes, it is option A, that is Veerappa was the leader of the Koppala rebellion. The next question is, the main cause of rebellion of Bedas of Halagali, whether denying the right of adopted children over the throne, monopoly over the trade, tax policy in Kittur, whether it is the British banned the usage of weapons. We have to choose one option by which the rebellion of Bedas of Hulagali taken place. Yes, it is option D, that is the British banned the usage of weapons. So that's all about the multiple choice questions of this chapter. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe the channel. So thank you one and all.